can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades above $87,000. Bitcoin over the last 1 week has rallied up by 15%. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin go up by 30%. On a yearly time frame, guys, Bitcoin has seen a 146% increase to the upside. Right now, Bitcoin are trading new all-time highs. We've set new all-time highs after new all-time highs day after day. The current Bitcoin all-time high sits at $93,256. But we're stalled here for 2 days. Is the bull run over for Bitcoin? Has Bitcoin topped? Or are we getting ready for that final pop towards $100,000+, as a lot of market participants believe? We'll take a look at Bitcoin's performance in the month of November. We'll take a look at news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. There's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Bitcoin? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. If you're new to this channel, if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. With Bitcoin rallying to new all-time highs of over $93,000, the altcoin market has seen huge gains. We saw Dogecoin rallying up crazily over the last 1 week. We saw Coinbase listing PP and Wave shooting them up 50+% in a day. The altcoin market is ready for the epic meme coin super cycle. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is pumping to higher values. But guys, are we going to get to $100,000? We've seen Bitcoin clear $73,000 right now. $73,000 looks like a distant dream. We're battling $73,000 over the last 9 months. Bitcoin first got to $73,000 in March of 2024. Since 2024 March, Bitcoin got there, market participants have been hopeful, they have been optimistic, but the price action has been down in Goblin Town. We have had arguments. Is it distribution? Is it accumulation that is ongoing? I believe it was distribution. I believe Bitcoin will go down. But right now, Bitcoin is pumping to higher values. And a lot of people are telling me to concede. You know what? I was wrong. Bitcoin is the bull market. Guys, I still believe Bitcoin is the bear market. I believe Bitcoin is setting up for one big bull trap. I'll be giving you reasons why. Against the US dollar, yes, Bitcoin is in new all-time highs. Against most of the currencies in the world, Bitcoin is in new all-time highs. But against gold, Bitcoin has not gotten to new all-time highs. And with Bitcoin trading at $87,000, with Bitcoin getting to as high as $93,000 and not being able to continue rallying above there, I will not be shocked if the top is already in for Bitcoin. Or maybe, just maybe, we can see Bitcoin still even get to as high as $95,000. A huge portion of this rally has been bears liquidated. A lot of bears that were shorting the market over the last 9 months, they have seen their position get liquidated over the last 9 days. We have seen more than 4 bears that have lost a cumulative of more than $250 million. So a lot of this rally we're seeing right now is promoted by leverage. A lot of market participants are feeling extremely happy, extremely greedy. Remember the golden rule, guys. You want to buy when there's extreme fear in the market, and you want to be selling when there's extreme greed. A lot of whales that have been buying Bitcoin when we were down in Goblin Town, when Bitcoin was trading below $20,000, they have taken this opportunity to be selling for some sweet profit. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, guys, everything looks bullish, everything looks ready to send. But that's always the best time to sell. In hindsight, if you look at the charts, you wonder, why didn't I just sell my Bitcoin when we crossed $85,000? Why didn't I just sell my Bitcoin when we got to $90,000? Best time to buy is always the worst time. The best time to buy, guys, always the worst time that the crowd will be telling you is the best time to buy. The best time to buy is down in Goblin Town. The best time to buy is when we're down here, when nobody wants to buy in the bear market. The best time to sell is when the crowd is telling you to buy. And right now, the crowd is telling you to go all in on Bitcoin, because talks about Bitcoin ecosystem is that Bitcoin price can hit $100,000 by Thanksgiving if the bull key level holds. Bitcoin is consolidating after all-time highs, but bulls cannot afford to lose track of too many potential support levels, says Bitcoin analyst. I see a huge cascading liquidation coming. If you take a look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market, it has been reducing. We had 1 billion plus days over the last 1 week. Right now, liquidation in the market is around $519 million. More than 185,000 traders have been liquidated. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum has provided the largest liquidation. One trader lost $10 million. Now, guys, if you look at Bitcoin's performance in the month of November, it has been outrageously wonderful. November has always been a good month for Bitcoin. This November is not proving to be any different. The average return for Bitcoin in November was 45%. The median return was 10%. And in September of 2024, we have seen Bitcoin rally by 25%. So Bitcoin has had a green September, a green October, and a green November. But are we going to have a green December, or is this rally going to end up in the next few days? Guys, there's a lot of warning signs that the rally might be coming to an end. Bitcoin dominance has gotten to a new cycle high. While if you're holding Bitcoin, it might look very, very bullish. But history has shown us over time that Bitcoin dominance at this dangerously high level is going to lead to all coins going crazy. And over the last few days, we have seen the altcoin market going parabolic. Pepe, Dogecoin, XRP, Dogway Hat, Crow, Breads have all seen exponential gains over the last 1 week. And if all things being equal, it means the altcoin market will soon take off. And the altcoin market taking off means we're getting to the end of the rally. Now, Bitcoin's performance against gold got to new yearly highs. We've rallied above where we're trading in March. But guys, the worrying sign is that it has not gotten to new all-time highs. If you take a look at what Bitcoin has done against gold, we are still trading where we're trading in 2021. It's equivalent of Bitcoin trading around $64,000 to $65,000 against gold. That's what Bitcoin is doing. So it leads me to believe that maybe, just maybe, the US government have printed more dollars into existence since 2021. So right now, Bitcoin is getting to new all-time highs against the US dollar. And I started taking a look at Bitcoin's performance against other currencies. I was like, wow, there's some sense to that theory, because against the Canadian dollar, Bitcoin's at new all-time highs. Against the Australian dollar, Bitcoin's at new all-time highs. Against the Japanese yen, Bitcoin also saw a new all-time highs. And most of them saw new all-time highs since March. Lead me to believe maybe, just maybe, this is a bull trap. Maybe, just maybe, guys, we're getting conned one final time. We're seeing a lot of exit liquidity signals. Coinbase launching new products. We're seeing Coinbase listing meme coins. We're seeing extreme grade in the cryptocurrency market. And Bitcoin, is trading above $87,000. If I told you 3 months ago that Bitcoin was trading above $87,000, guys, a lot of people will not agree. A lot of people will not believe, because we spent 9 months ranging below $73,000. And in 1 week, we went from $73,000 to $93,000. You never want to fit the power of Bitcoin. At the same time, guys, you never want to be overly optimistic, because over the years, Bitcoin has had huge rallies. This is not going to be the first bull run Bitcoin has seen. This is even the lowest pump in all Bitcoin bull run we have seen. If the bull run ends now, Bitcoin rallied from $15,000 to as high as $90,000. That's just over a 500% pump to the upside. If you take a look at what Bitcoin did in the previous bull market, guys, the previous bull market in 2021, Bitcoin rallied up by more than 2,000%. And if you take a look at what Bitcoin did in 2017, Bitcoin in 2017 went from as low as $200 to as high as $20,000. Bitcoin went up by over 8,000%. So as Bitcoin continues going to the future, the cycle gets smaller, and this is the smallest cycle we've seen. Hopefully, we'll continue pumping to the moon. But guys, the RSI for Bitcoin is showing a huge bearish divergence. The price is in new all-time highs. The RSI is just getting to the oversold territory. I will not be shocked in the next few weeks if we see huge liquidations below the previous all-time high. So Bitcoin can easily slam back to $73,000. That will see Bitcoin going from 93K to 73K. That will see Bitcoin losing around $18,000. And that can happen in one big candle. Bitcoin dominance is at 61%. We expect it to dump. Bitcoin's market cap got to as high as $1.85 trillion. These are all good news for Bitcoin, guys. But the best time to always sell is when there's a lot of good news. The best time to always sell is when a lot of market participants are focused on buying, expecting higher prices. You want to be expecting lower prices. The best way to make money long term, guys, in the cryptocurrency market is to do the opposite of what the crowd is doing. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Yes, we're happy Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices. Yes, we're happy the altcoin market is going to see a huge pump. But you're in this market to make some money. You're in this market to keep some liquidity for yourself. The bear market is going to be coming. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How long do you think it will take Bitcoin before we get to new all-time highs? The last 1 week I've seen Bitcoin break to new all-time highs almost every day. Do you think then $3,000 is the top? Can we get to $100,000? If we rally above $100,000, where do you see Bitcoin ending 2024? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.